Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this short video, I will help you how to solve the problem of not having sunglasses holder in your Porsche Macan. When I first got my 2019 Porsche Macan a few years back, I was surprised to find that there is no sunglass holder. I looked at different aftermarket options. I didn't like the way they look. And then I found this sunglass holder for 2016 through 2024 Volvo XC90, XC60, V90, V60, and I installed it, replacing the handle on the driver's side on the ceiling, on the roof. And then when I got my 2023 Porsche Macan a couple of years ago, this is the car, I did the same thing. It fits perfectly. The distance between the screws is similar to the handle. Very easy job, and the most importantly, it looks stock. I ordered it from Amazon, and as you can see, it comes with the case. The right hinge is spring-loaded. It has two covers that would cover those screws. It comes with a wrench that you don't need. For this job, you will need T20 Torx bit for your screwdriver, and you will need some kind of pick to pry the covers on the handle. On the box, you see the brand, dimensions, and label. And again, I ordered this from Amazon. We will be installing it on the driver's side where the handle is. To remove this handle, you need to pry these two covers to get access to the screw. To pry them, it's easy if you use a pick like this, and this one as well. So now we have access to those screws. Using your T20 Torx, unscrew them both. Using stock screws, tight both hinges. Do not over tight them. You may need to adjust how tight they are for smooth operation of the hinges. Now install the screw covers. They should snap into place. Installed one, and now installing the second one. So this is how it looks. It looks stock, and as I showed you, it's a spring-loaded. You can now safely store your glasses. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video.